Good morning, student. Today our topic is preparation of alcohol. In previous class, we discussed about the nomenclature and isomerism of alcohol, and today we prepare the alcohol by several methods. First is the most common method which we read in previous class. This is the from alkyl halide. We know alkyl halide RX. RX is the alkyl halide, and when alkyl halide is react with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide or HOH, NaOH, NaOH, KOH or HOH, it gives alcohol or X plus NaOH. Here R, alkyl group is positive charge, hydrogen is negative charge, and here sodium is positive charge and OH is negative charge. And OH replace the halogen and form R OH plus NaX. This is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and about this reaction we read in the chapter alkyl halide by very deeply. SN2 mechanism, SN1 mechanism, process of SN2 and SN1, and so many reactions we read in previous class in the chapter alkyl halide. And second most important method, this is the from Grignard reagent. What is the Grignard? A compound of magnesium in which an alkyl group and a halogen is added is called Grignard reagent or MgX. It is called Grignard. When magnesium is added with any alkyl group with any halogen, means R may be any alkyl group and X, we know this is the halogen, and when any halogen and any alkyl group is added with magnesium, this form the Grignard reagent, the most common reagent of organic compound like this CH3 MgX, CH3 CH2 Mg, sorry यहाँ पे here Br Cl or C6 H5 Mg and I. So many compounds of Grignard can be written. This is a name is given as methyl magnesium bromide. Simple name, methyl. CH3 means methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. And this is the CH3 CH2 C2H5. This is the ethyl magnesium chloride. And C6H5. This is the phenyl magnesium iodide. Simple name, simple compound, but most important for the organic synthesis, because we can prepare almost all type of compound from Grignard reagent. First we discuss about the, and here with the Grignard reagent we prepare all three type of alcohol, means primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So we can clear that all type of alcohol, means primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol can be prepared with the help of Grignard, and the reaction is very simple but very important, and we clear the board and review in fresh mind. We have, suppose we have a carbonyl group. What is carbonyl group? C double bond O. Carbon bonded with oxygen with double bond and two valence of carbon is free. This is called carbonyl. C double bond O and both two valence of carbon is free. This is called carbonyl. And when carbonyl group react with Grignard and after HOH it gives alcohol. Simple reaction we can write as we have a carbonyl group C double bond O. This is the carbonyl group and carbonyl group react with Grignard R MgX. Here we can clear you that magnesium is positive charge and both half atom alkyl and halogen both are negatively charged. So magnesium form positive charge and this form negative charge. And here C double bond O, we know oxygen is more electronegative atom than carbon, and when the pi bond of carbon is break by heterolytic bond fission, pi bond of carbon is break by heterolytic bond fission, oxygen form negative charge because it accept electron and carbon form positive charge because it donate electron. And now it can be clear which ion is add with which ion. Here R negative add with bonded with carbon C plus and oxygen is bonded with MgX, and the compound is written as C single bond O, and here R is added with carbon. Alkyl group is added with carbon because alkyl group is negative charge and carbon is positive charge. And this MgX is added with M and X. This is an intermediate of this state. Intermediate. This compound is the intermediate. And the last step, we undergo the HOH, hydrolysis of this intermediate compound. We go in hydrolysis of this intermediate compound. We know this for H plus and OH minus, and here oxygen form negative charge and carbon form positive charge, and this bond is break as seen in arrow, and oxygen form negative charge and carbon form positive charge, and it gives C R, and here OH minus is added with C OH plus the remaining part is Mg OH and X. So it can be seen that the product is formed because the carbon contains OH as a functional group, so it is called any type of alcohol. So very simple reaction: carbonyl group dissociate to form C plus and O minus ion, and Grignard RMgX undergoes dissociation and form R plus and MgX plus. R add with carbon and form intermediate, and after hydrolysis it form a type of alcohol. This is a type of alcohol, and I tell you we prepare all type of means primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol by this method. This is a group, carbonyl group. When we take some special type of compound, we take the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is the HCHO. This is the formaldehyde, HCHO. And this can be written as, this is the carbonyl, C double bond 2. This is the carbonyl. And 2 valence of carbon is free. Here we have the hydrogen. It forms HCHO. It forms HCHO. This is the formaldehyde. Similar reaction for formaldehyde. Formaldehyde react with R MgX, R minus, Mg plus, here O minus and C plus. Just similar of this reaction. And the form H C O Mg X and R. In both of reactions, only two change. Here the two valency are free, and here two valency have hydrogen. Here two valency are free, and here two valency have hydrogen. And after hydrolysis, H, OH, H plus, OH minus, here C plus, and O minus, just similar of this reaction. It dissociate and form HC, here OH and here R, plus Mg, OH and X, and this is the R, CH2 and OH. R, CH2 and OH means this is primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. So we can say that when formaldehyde react with Grignard, and after hydrolysis it gives primary alcohol. And another example, when we take the CH3, C double bond O and H. C double bond O, this is the carbonyl, and one valency have CH3 and the other valency have hydrogen. Here two valency have hydrogen, and here one valency have CH3 and the other valency have hydrogen. And it also reacts just similar of first reaction RMGX. Here CH3, C, H, O, Mg, X, just similar of this reaction. And here R. And after hydrolysis, CHOH, it forms CH3, HC, R and OH, and the remaining part is Mg, OH and X. And this carbon is secondary carbon, so it is secondary alcohol. And when this compound is the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. And when we take a ketone, R, C double bond O, and this is the ketone. After hydrolysis, it forms tertiary alcohol, and this reaction is leave as a homework for you, and all students complete this reaction in their notebooks and complete the reaction and form tertiary alcohol from ketone. So we can say that from formaldehyde, Grignard gives primary alcohol, and from acetaldehyde, Grignard gives secondary alcohol, and last from ketone, Grignard gives tertiary alcohol. Thank you.